We're in the Avenue of Stars. And that's the Stars of Bruce Lee. Ate is here. Aiden is there taking pictures. And that's the Harbor of Hong Kong. Aiden is over there. Pagod na sila. Si Papa masakit na yung ano. There. Nakaupo na sila Papa at Mama. Pagod na sila eh. May injury eh. Ano nangyari? Ano nangyari? Pagod na? Ha? Hands up na. Eto sila. What's happening there? Who's there?
Ito po yung kaninang mga lalaking tagal.
Okay. Who's there?